Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an important topic on how to get rid of social media addiction. Also, be proud of yourself because you're one step into the title of the video. Because social media is designed in such a way that will keep you hooked in, and you have acknowledged it. Overcoming social media addiction requires a combination of self-awareness, discipline, and strategies to manage your online behavior. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Set boundaries. Establish specific times when you'll check your social media accounts and stick to those times. 2. Use tracking tools. Utilize apps or browser extensions that monitor your social media usage, helping you identify areas for improvement. 3. Remove notifications. Turn off notifications for social media apps to reduce the constant temptation to check your accounts. 4. Replace social media with alternative activities. Engage in hobbies, exercise, or spend time with family, or watch movies to fill the time previously spent on social media. 5. Practice self-care. Focus on your mental and your physical well-being by getting enough sleep, meditating, or practicing mindfulness. 6. Seek support. Share your struggles with a friend or family members and ask them to hold you accountable. 7. Consider a digital detox. Take a break from social media for a few days or week to rest your habits and gain perspective. 8. Find an alternative way to stay informed. Instead of relying on social media for news, try podcasts, newsletters, apps. 9. Be kind to yourself. Remember that overcoming addiction is not a process, and it's okay to step up sometimes. Don't be too hard on yourself and simply get back on track. 10. Use social media for inspiration. Unfollow people which don't take sense and don't inspire you to achieve your goals. Use social media as a source of inspiration, but don't compare yourself with others. Again, don't panic, darling. You aren't the only one who is struggling with it. Almost 0.90% of us are struggling with it these days. Thank you for tuning in today. If this helps, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe and share so that it reaches to more people and help them too. Have a great day.